Hello, my name is Diego and today I would like to show you how to change the input modules on the HPM7000. So we can see here on the settings that is only showing me the CAN input module, which is the module that is already installed. And I'm going to install the analog module in this slot. So to do that, we need to remove these two screws. So this is the input module. So it's like that. And we just plug it in. As soon as we plug it in, you can see on the screen that is being recognized by the device. So we'll put the screws from the blanking plate back. And that's it. I would recommend you keep this blanking plate in a safe place. So if in another occasion you need to install or remove one of the modules, you put it back and ensure that the device is sealed. The good thing about this is that you can change the modules depending of the job that you need to do. If you need more analog input, you could remove the CAN module and put a second analog input here. So you get more of this type of inputs on the device, or vice versa. You could put another CAN input module in here.